junkyard's worth of cars to just blow up. There we go. Now notice he's really good form. So he doesn't destroy the radiator. Is that thing still running? How you doing, bro? Yo!
I'm also the guy who drives the Explorer. I kind of broke it, so I need parts. So I brought this instead, and it only cost me $500. So long as in your car over there. Huh? $500? Find a car?
This is, how do you find all these $500 cars?